afternoon. You are interested in creating your email signature for board members of PTANA. The free application that we use is called WiseStamp.com, WISESTAMP. You're going to go to this website, you're going to click log in, and you are going to create a free account. So you can log in with your Google, your Facebook, or make a brand new account by clicking here. I've already got an account, so I'm going to head on over and show you what I have. So when you go into WiseStamp, all of this is going to be blank. So you're going to enter your name, for me, which is chapter president, and my title. You're going to have an option to upload a picture or a logo. You can either put you should put your headshot here or the PTANA logo. You're going to add your title. For me, I'm a luxury travel agency owner and corporate meeting planner, and the name of my personal travel agency is Lux Worldwide Travel Meetings and Groups. I put my mobile number here. I put my chapter website, which I can find by going to PTANA's website, going to my chapter, and you will see that our URL for your individual chapters listed here. Also, my chapter email address is here. When you click on the social tab, you have the option to add any of the social media that your chapter has, whether it's a Facebook page, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter for your chapter. When you go to templates, you have the option to choose either classic or horizontal. All of the rest of these other templates are paid for paid accounts, so you don't need to choose those, but you can choose between classic or horizontal, depending on what you like the flavor. You can also go to design. When you go to design, you'll notice that all of these custom tools are also pro, which means they are from the paid account. We are going for free 99, so we don't need to have any of that. The glory of everything is in the apps. So I've selected some apps here that I'm going to highlight that you can select to enhance your signature by clicking on them below. So one of the things I have here is an online scheduler, which is a tool where I insert my Calendly or Set More link here so people can book meetings with me. I also have the ability to have a styled sign-off. What is a styled sign-off? It is my name. I have as my sign-off travel safely and my name, and you're able to select whichever fonts you like your name to appear. You can also use the squeegee to make it bigger or smaller and align it left, middle, or to the right. You have the ability, if you want to have a tagline. For me, I have join or renew and our call to action here. So I have that as a sales event tagline, where I have join or renew your PTANA membership for only $79 until December 31st. And I have the link for people to complete that application for the Houston chapter. I also have the banner. This is where you're going to upload the affiliate banner. You can drag and drop. All of the members of each board have access to all of our branded assets. So you're going to drag and drop there. And you're going to link that banner to the membership page on PTANA.org. Right there, that's all you need to do. Once you are finished, you have everything looking like it is. You're going to click done. And you're going to publish those changes, and then you have the ability to go in and copy. So you're going to highlight everything here, the signature that you just did from above, create your own, because we don't need to brand WiseStamp. You're going to copy it. You're going to go into your email settings. You're going to hit on your cogwheel. And when you're in your cogwheel, you're going to see all settings. You're going to go there, go all the way down to your email signatures. You're going to create a new signature. You're going to name it your PTANA signature from WiseStamp, so you know that's what it is. And then you're going to copy and paste it into the box. There, you now have your signature. You want to make sure you go down to the bottom